Oh my God, have you been following the whole Porsche case happening in Pune?
Yeah, it's like all over my feed.
Yeah.
It's blowing up so much.
Yeah, and you know the only reason why it's become such a big deal is because it's such a high profile case.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, have you watched Jolly LLP?
Yeah.
In that also, he's fighting a very similar case like Boman Irani and Arshad Varsi. It's like a drunk driving case and they're fighting the exact same thing in the movie.
Yeah, and I think Boman Irani has a whole scene in court where he's saying the exact same thing.
Oh yeah, I remember, yeah.
पिछले साल 7,516 एक्सीडेंट्स हुए दिल्ली में, लेकिन उसमें से कितने याद यहां बैठे लोगों को? लेकिन पिछले 6 महीने के मीडिया रिपोर्ट्स उठा के देखेंगे तो ऐसा लगता है कि इस देश में सिर्फ एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ, the so-called Land Cruiser hit and run case which involves one of the most respected and law-abiding families of the city. एक एक करके ऑपोजिशन के सारे आरोप गलत साबित।
You know, the Agarwal family tried so hard to cover the whole case up.
They really did.
They paid away the doctors. They tampered with the blood samples. It's so
and
sad.
You know, they even tried to get the poor driver to take all the blame on himself.
It's really sad because I found out that the grandfather tried to ensure that he was in good company. Money really can help you get away with like everything.
It really can, even murder.
After all, Rahul is the future of our family.
Indeed, indeed.
और जवानी में ऐसी गलतियां हो जाती है बच्चों से। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि किसी की जिंदगी कोर्ट के चक्कर खाने में या जेल में खराब हो।
Completely agree with you, Diwan Sahab.
That 17-year-old was driving at the speed of 150, drunk, without a license.
And you know the worst part is the car wasn't even registered.
Yeah.
Like he was driving around without a license plate. And his carelessness resulted in the death of like 2 innocent people.
I know.
They were young IT professionals.
Yeah, and he somehow got to get away with it scot-free initially. Like they fed him pizza and biryani in the police station.
It's ridiculous.
It really is. And you know, the situation is so uncanny between the movie and this whole real situation.
Because they also ended up paying money to get away with whatever they did.
Yeah.
It's really sad.
Yeah.
I'm so glad though that the media houses are covering this so extensively and giving it the importance that it deserves.
Yeah, really. And there was that big protest that happened at Yerwada police station arranged by the Congress leader Ravindra Dhangekar.
Yeah, he's just like Arshad Varsi from like Jolly. And I'm so happy though that someone's speaking out against the privilege.
Yeah.
They can't keep getting away with things like this.
It's really high time.
आप तो जानते हैं सर, इतने बड़े बड़े लोग इस केस में इन्वॉल्व हैं। मुझसे कहा गया था कि जरूरत पड़ेगी तो आपको बुलाएंगे, आपको पूछेंगे, लेकिन सर मैं इंतजार करता रह गया। किसी ने बुलाया नहीं, किसी ने पूछा नहीं, कोई फोन नहीं, कुछ नहीं सर, कुछ नहीं। उसके बाद पता चला कि आपने PIL फाइल किया है, तो हिम्मत मत ही सर, कोई तो है जो सच्चाई के लिए खड़ा हो रहा है इन लोगों के सामने।
It's just really unfair how the rich try to get away with everything with the money and the means.
I know, I agree. I mean, I'm sure they've tried to pay off everyone they could.
Yeah.
The doctors, driver, everyone.
God knows who else.
Here's your money, Mr. Rajpal. Now please, get my son out of this mess, once and for all.
I hope this case gives the victims' families the justice that they deserve, because it's really sad and honestly horrifying that people had to lose their lives because of no fault of their own.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, it's high time you start holding people accountable for their actions. You can't keep letting everyone get away with things. You have to set an example.
Yeah.
इंसाफ नहीं दिया जाता जनाब, नहीं दिया जाता। शराब और दौलत के नशे में 120 की स्पीड पे गाड़ी चलाता हुआ ये यंग एंड इनोसेंट